Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, Aquaboon, the company, sent me these filters to check out, see what I thought of them. So I wanted to kind of do a sort of an unpacking with you here. They just came in, and I'm glad to see them. I've used the Aquaboon filters before, and been really happy with them. There's no reason to doubt that these will be any different. These are a micro mesh. It's the 10 by 2.5 inch filter. Now in my particular case, how I use these, see the fine mesh, use let me see here. I think they're yeah, my 5 micron. This is a finer mesh than what I've been using in these smaller filters. We've got a pool, we've got power washers. We use power washer a lot, cars, washing the building, whatever it may be, we use it a lot. And with our well water, if you don't use a filter like this, then you're going to sandblast your car when you wash it. So these are very important to us. And filling the pool, it gets half full of sand if we don't use a filter. We live down close to the river, and over the centuries and eons or whatever, it's really deposited a lot of sand in the ground. So Aquaboon 10 by 2.5 5 micron filter. We're gonna use it, and it's probably going to be springtime when I put it in outside. But wanted to let you see them and tell you I'm excited about it because I know Aquaboon. Good company. I like their stuff in my house. Thanks. Bye now.